All right, so today I will be demonstrating screen magnification using magnifier on my PC. So if I go to settings here, I can decide what I want to have magnifier follow. So currently I have mouse cursor and text insertion point selected. So if we were to pull up the internet, let's magnify to 150 right now. So with the mouse cursor, it's going to follow wherever my cursor goes. However, with the text insertion, as soon as I start typing, it's going to pull me over to the text so that I can automatically see what I'm typing. So since I have a corgi, let's just search AKC corgi for right now. So again, it's going to follow wherever my mouse goes. So let's select here. And we'll zoom out for right now. So if I were to continue increasing my magnification on the text here, we're seeing that as I keep going in bit by bit, it's getting a little less clear to read, but not completely. Now, if we were to do the same thing over a photo, it gets a little more unclear rather than the text as we continue going in. So we'll zoom back out for right now. And then we also are able to look at different views. So what I have been doing is full screen, but I'm also able to do lens, where just this part that I'm highlighting would be magnified. So let's increase that magnification to 250, for example, and just that part will magnify. We also have the docked view, which looks just like that.